When I'm not doing a lot of gigs, I don't do a lot. I'm probably doing more than most people, but it is easy for me to slip into, I don't have a gig. I don't have a show to record. I could sit around, I could do a lot of nothing. And then what happens is the things that are needing to be done end up sneaking up on me, and then about a week before, a couple of days before, a couple of hours before, I'm like, I gotta get that done. And guess what happens? Every single time, I get it done. Hi, I'm Bill Herman. This is the Creative License Podcast, sponsored as always by Entertainment Experience, entertainment-experience.com. It's the Entertainment Experience Workshops. And today I'm talking about deadlines, because ain't nothing like a deadline to get something done. And oftentimes, the deadlines are not something we create. It just kind of happens. Okay, we create a deadline like the gig that we've got is this Saturday, and we've got all week or all month to be working on it. But honestly, sometimes it sneaks up, so you're working on everything the day before, 2 days before, hours before to get it done. Do you always get it done? Oh yeah, you know why? Because there ain't nothing like a deadline. You got a deadline that shows, and a real deadline is, if it doesn't get done, something bad will happen. If it doesn't get done, I'm going to look bad. If it doesn't get done, I'm not going to get paid. If it doesn't get done, things will not be what I want them to be. There should be an if on there, and there almost always is. Now, you want to be powerful? Don't let the deadlines just be the deadlines that are. Set up deadlines for yourself every day. Okay? People sometimes call them goals, and they are, but great goals have deadlines, okay? I want to be sure I get all of my emails taken care of between 10 in the morning and 11, okay? And my deadline is 11 in the morning. It has to be done. I start them at 10. It has to be. There's a deadline involved. You put a deadline and all of a sudden you're getting your emails taken care of. I've got to get back to all of my clients by noon, and I only have 11 to noon. There's your deadline. I have to write an article because someone thinks I'm smart and they want to have the article in a thing. Well, there's a deadline involved. So now you have to figure out what the ideas are. I don't know what the idea is. Well, put a deadline on the idea. You know how this works. Okay, we were doing this. This was happening to us when we were kids, when our dad said, your room better be clean. And we'd be like, yeah, whatever, and we'd do nothing and whatever. But we knew Dad was going to be home at 6. So what happens at 5:45? You get your room clean. And at 6 o'clock, boom, deadline. The thing got done. It works the same way in life. Create some deadlines on the goals that you have and watch what happens. Create those same deadlines with your creative life and watch what can really happen. What do you think of this? Do you have a deadline? Do you have a group of deadlines on your goals? Do you have a deadline on the comment you're going to write below? Write a comment below or send me an email, bill@billherman.com. Otherwise, I'll see you next week, Thursday, on the Creative License Podcast.